Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today in this simple tutorial video I'm going to show you how you can log out from Instagram on all of your device. Yeah, you might suspect that another person is logging into your Instagram account, or you just want to use your Instagram only on one device. So without any delay, let's start the video. First, go to your Instagram ID. Now select your profile icon on bottom right, select here and select those straight three lines on top of your right, and now select the privacy settings and privacy and go to account and centered. Now go to password and security, select that, and here you can see where you are logged in. Just select that option. Now select this option. Now as you can see, this is the list of devices that my Instagram account is logged into. So if I just click one device, just like this one, just click here and just tap logout and logout, then the device, you can see my logout has been completed. But if you want to select all the device in one go, just go select device to log out and just select this all option and just select the logout option and just select this logout option here, and in that way you can log out from all the device that you previously, or you might suspect that someone is using your Instagram from. So that is it for today's video. I hope this video helps you. Feel free to comment and subscribe to my channels. See you guys on next one.